Fingers crossed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's all I want to do. One contact. One, please. 152. Can I make one contact, everybody? On this, the Flywire radiating element with the bicycle as the counterpoise. G'day mate, Simon! Crazy HamJazz here for another episode of the Rubbish Antenna series. Woohoo! I'm down here with my buddy Doug, and today, well, there might be some flies. Actually, I know where there's a lot of flies right now, in Australia, because it's the middle of summer. But what we're going to do today, guys, we're going to do something absolutely crazy. And you're going to have to stick around because this actual episode is going to be 2 parts. So you're going to see a riveting first part, but then you're going to see an even more riveting second part. And this is going to be the very unfantastic rubbish antenna. And we're going to get on with this. I'm really, really excited. And I've had this for a couple of years now. I actually originally bought this for an antenna, and I never really used it. And a lot of people have it. You can get it from Home Hardware, Home Depot, any of those department stores. You do have to make sure it's metal. It badly conducts, I believe, but we'll put it to the test. I'm really excited about this, guys. Let's get on with it. Today's video is actually going to be, of course, sponsored. I'm very excited about it. We're going to be using the Jump 1800 here, this beauty, the Vito Man Jump 1800. G'day everybody at Vito Man, official sponsor of the HamJazz YouTube channel and the Rubbish Antenna series. So that's going to be our beautiful power beast today. And I've got a very big surprise in this little box that we're going to be using. All right, guys, let's get on with the show. We're going to lay it over the top of the hedge here. We're going to put a couple of magnets to it. And what we're going to do, first thing we're going to do, guys, is just for fun, we just want to see where it's resonant. We'll connect the magnets to it and we'll run it down to the center pin, the radiating side of the coupler here. And what we'll do is we'll see, I want to see where it's resonant. There's no finesse about this whatsoever. This is like you've got nothing, you want to get on the air. We're going to clip this onto here, like so. These magnets are on the Flywire like so. Let's see where the SWR is. There we are, we're 1-to-1 at 18 megahertz. So it's the perfect 17-meter antenna. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So the fly screen, we've got the bike as the counterpoise, and this thing's pretty awesome. And there's the antenna, look at it. It's dreadful. We'll give this a few more. I don't hear anybody coming back to our calls. Alrighty guys, this thing is absolutely amazing. This is the Precision X Mileseey, my official little tool that I'm going to have with me for all my rubbish antenna episodes. And as you can tell, guys, we're in the middle of the day and there's going to be no laser in the world that's going to work with the sun up like this. We want to measure how long this beautiful piece of bamboo is. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to get the laser working. There it is on Doug's hand. And he's going to literally walk back to the bicycle where I've got it. And we're going to be able to basically see the exact length of the bamboo. This is a great idea of Doug's and a really good little exercise or a way to measure things during the day. So this piece of bamboo is it right at the tip there, Doug? Right there. Right there. It's 19 feet and 8 inches. So you can lay your wire out. So during the day, have something with a big backdrop like that you can measure the length of, and there you go. So fantastic, the Mileseey for the win. I just want to make one contact on this antenna. One, Doug. Can we do it? I can hear a bit of QRM, which is a good sign, which tells me that the antenna is kind of working. Not liking our chances, mate, but it's certainly radiating, hey?
It is.
So I don't know. Just got to make one. Come on, somebody. We've just added this amount of wire to the antenna length, the overall length. 1.2 to 1. And all I want to do is make one contact on this world's worst antenna. All right, fingers crossed, everybody. I'm just going to respot. Oh, the anticipation is just killing me. Oh, one contact. Guys.
Whiskey 0, Kilo Echo, Germany.
What? Whiskey 0, Kilo Echo, Germany, the Kegman. I cannot believe it. I've got the world's worst antenna, buddy, and I've got you about a 5.2, Kevin. Oh, he heard me, but then I faded. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clamp. That's so slick. I love that.
That is slick. I like that.
There we go. Pull that under here. There we are. 1.56 to 1 at 14.36 megahertz, guys.
I think I see it.
There you go.
You know, it just...
The SWR, look at that. 1 to 1 on 10 meters.
Kilo Delta, 5.
Woo!
Okay, Kilo Delta 5. Kilo India.
Australia.
Roger, Roger. You are 555 into Kangaroo Island.
South Australia.
555, all right.
KI, Kangaroo Island. South Australia. All right, guys, I've just started calling Seeky Poda. I'm spotted on the Poda page. We're on 10 meters with this rubbish antenna.
Victor Kilo 4 November Hotel.
That's Ray. G'day, Ray. How are you, mate? You're going to be on my video. Mate, you're a 5'9" into BC today, Ray. QSL.
Yeah, BA7 BIX VK4NH. G'day, mate. Well, actually, I didn't look at the meter, but I'd say 5'7". I'll give you a report on the over, and you're also whatever it is, VK4 Delta X-ray Alpha, over. Yeah, I'm good, and you're actually 5 and 7. Incredible.
Yeah, right.
Incredible signal. 10 meters has been good this morning. I think you're about the 7th park I've worked this morning on 10 meters, so really good. Good to get you in the log. Take care. All the best, mate. Catch you later. 7-3.
Victor Alpha 7, Lima Tango Oscar. QSL, yeah, just over here by Gorgon Admirals in Victoria.
I love this antenna. All I got to do is just simply just do that. Put it up fully. Boom, like that. That took, what, 3 seconds. And, yep, we're 1 to 1. I love it. 5-7 into the North Pole, am I, mate? Alpha Lima 7 Kilo
Yes,
Charlie.
sir.
Roger, buddy. Well, I got a rubbish antenna coming for you, mate. It's I've got a bit of fly wire lying on a tabletop, and that's the Counterpoise, and got the 17-foot whip clamped to it, and it seems to work. Hi.
Yeah, it's doing a job just fine on this path, on this band right now. I listened for you earlier on 10, but couldn't hear you at all there, though. But I think it was more of the band conditions.
All right, guys, I'm going to go QRT now. Thank you so much. You're awesome. I'm going to charge the batteries. We'll see you on the next episode of the Rubbish Antenna series. Woohoo! Over and out. All right, guys, so this is just an example. So it's a really bright day, and we're going to put the S50, the Mileseey S50 Precision X. We're going to put the Mileseey S50 to the test here, and it's a very bright day. And let's get the laser up there. There you can see it. Look how clear that is. All right, I'm going to press the button again. And 41 feet. Unbelievable. The S50 for the win. I love this thing. And thanks for sponsoring my HamJazz rubbish antenna series, guys. Woohoo!